How can a robot learn to open a door by itself? At Carnegie Mellon University, a wheeled robot has been taught through imitation, embodying the peak of artificial intelligence. Not just doors, cabinets and drawers yield to its learned touch, achieving an astounding 95% success rate. It grasps these tasks within mere 30 to 60 minutes of learning, showcasing adaptive prowess beyond norms. Priced at $25,000, it's a leap towards affordability in advanced robotic systems. Witness the dawn of general robotic manipulation, a future where robots adapt just like us.